Ay, I just came home and I'm just so tired for all the errands today. Tara, let's eat. If there's one good thing that happened to me today, probably this is this salad. And of course, yung hummus na na-miss natin. Today, once again, life has reminded me that kindness is not always returned in the way we wanted it to be. Or at least for today. But I would say, I'm grateful to God for carrying me, from saving me for almost breaking down due to helplessness, for disappointments, for simply exhaustion. Nakakapagod, nakakaiyak maging mabait today. Kasi naisip ko during that time, may magbabago ba if I will be mad? Will it be different if I blame people, if I fought with someone? Parang wala naman. Ngayon, parang, kailangan ko na ng tulong. Tapos pag uwi ko ng bahay, hindi ko naisip na, kindness ba yung pinanghawakan ko today? Or is it tolerance? Hinayaan ko na lang ba na maging sunod-sunuran na lang ako sa pangyayari? And then finally, kung kailan pagod na ako, almost running out of time, I decided to stop. I decided to say, no, this has to end here. And they have to do something. I felt like I was the one doing everything the whole day. They just gave me the task in the moment that I approached them, the moment that I came in. And it's all up to me by the end of the day. If I was able to find the answer, good. If I will not be able to find the answer, I don't know. Prayer ko lang talaga that time, habang lakad balik is, please God, carry me, carry my emotions, hold my emotions. Pag uwi ko ng bahay, sabi ko, if it's somebody else, siguro nag-freak out na sila. Siguro nagalit na sila, nakipag-away na sila. And hindi ko alam kung at some point ba mas okay ba yon. But then again, pagtitiis pa rin tayo. Kasi ayaw naman natin ilagay yung sarili natin sa kahihiyan, di ba? And to all the people who helped me today, to all the people who I bumped into today, who has made me feel, at some point, possibly, calm my day, distraction, para hindi ko maramdaman totally yung ano, and makapag-vent out ako at some point. Thank you. And don't worry, pag nakain ko siguro to, I'm recovered. And I would still choose kindness. And I would still choose to be patient.